How long does it take to install paint protection film to your entire vehicle? Well, that varies depending on the make and model of the car. In preparation, we fully detail your vehicle, wash, clay bar, and also make sure that the surface is dust and debris free. We want it spotless before we install the film. The last thing we would want is some dirt or debris getting stuck under the film during the installation. This step usually takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully detail your car and have it ready for installation. Depending on the size of the vehicle, that time can grow. Now it's time for the film to actually be installed on the vehicle. This can take anywhere from 8 hours to about 5 days depending on the complexity of the vehicle. A good example is a full Tesla can be done in 1 day, where a G-Wagon to do the entire vehicle can take anywhere from 4 to 5 full business days. Some parts of the car require more precision and time, such as mirrors and bumpers because of the curvature. We also do a quality control check after each installation to make sure that the vehicle is fully finalized and sealed before it goes on its way. This usually takes anywhere from 1 to 2 hours as well to make sure your car is fully finalized. In short, it takes anywhere from 1 day to about 5 days for a full vehicle paint protection film installation. It might sound lengthy, but that time you wait is well worth it for years of protection. Once again, guys, my name is Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below.